Okay, so hi gentlemen, welcome back to my videos. Okay, today I have the Makita really old Makita hammer drill. It's HR2410. So as you can see, it's made on 2998. So it's a really old tool. Okay, fuck the lighting. Okay. So it's really old, nice tool, and honestly I have it for the first time in the shop for the repairs, so decided to make the video. Okay, so now what's wrong with it? The customer told that the clutch is splitting and it's not working properly, and now it's not working. So of course I will deassemble it. Okay. Okay, I can feel that the plastic is really better than the new models. Or maybe it's only look like that. Okay, so what we have inside. Okay. So we have the good made handle with the part number, of course. It's really it's not soft. Okay, it's plastic reinforced on 30% the carbon fiber, so it's really good. Okay, it's a noise suppressor or a soft start. Okay, it's a switch now. Okay, we can see that it's a really old-fashioned tool. Okay, even from the switch, because now we will not see switches like this in the Makita tools, or I know in Bosch or something. Okay, so as the tool is not working, so first thing what we need to do is to check the cord. So we will measure the resistance on the cord. Okay, this one is good, and this one is good. So the cord is good, it's not damaged, it looks good. Okay, so now the switch. What we need to check? We need to check the switch, how it works. Okay, of course we can see the carbon brushes. I will remove the carbon brushes and then check the switch. Okay, so yeah, the carbon brushes is almost gone, as it's normally, because the customer told that this tool was used in a home-based use and it was not serviced. So yeah, it can be, of course, the carbon brush needed to replace it. It's a CB419, I think. Yeah, and okay, yeah. So definitely we need new carbon brushes. Okay, I think I will try to change the carbon brushes and check it. Okay, it's other simple way how we can check it. We can measure the resistance here. So now the multimeter is beeping, so it's resistant, it's working, and okay, the resistance here must work when we will press the switch. So yeah, it's working. Okay, so now we can inspect the field and the armature. Okay, I think it will work, so I'm going to bring up the new carbon brushes. Okay, so it's 419. Okay, it's the easiest way to test the switch, the cord, and the field, the armature, by turning everything on to work and seeing how it's going. Okay, of course, if you see the smokes, it's bad, really bad. If it's not smoke and it works good, so that's good, really. And for the tool like this, okay, it will be very good if it will work and last, for example, more 5 years. Okay, now carbon brushes are in place. Of course, the safety glasses, don't forget them. Okay, putting it in and trying to run it. Okay. Okay, so we can see that it's sparking a little bit, but that's really not bad for the tool old like this. So okay, so basically it's a good tool, it's working. Of course, now we need to check the clutch. So removing the carbon brushes again. Of course, don't forget to unplug the tool. Do not be shocked by electricity. Okay. So now taking out the safety glasses. Okay. I don't know, I'll try to open it like this. Okay, honestly, I'm not looking on a spare part view for this one, so I don't know how to disassemble it. But I hope it will be the same as the all Makita tools made for now. Okay, so the ball bearing, yeah, it's have some noise, but it's still not wobbling. It's good. So okay, the peeled. It's good. It looks good. It's a washer inside the housing. So yeah, I think it's really important. Okay, now I will tighten these two screws. They are holding the field inside, so in a time they are getting loose. Here. Okay. So okay, we need to get to the hammer casing. Okay, we start from the chuck, and for this tool the chuck is holding the drill bit by turning it, so not by moving it up and down. Okay, now inserting the drill bit, spinning the chuck, and okay, for this one it's not holding, so, or maybe I did something wrong. Okay, now it not holds, of course. Okay, it spins around, so that's really not good. Okay, see the problem, so we need a new tool holder. Okay, of course we can do it like that, and it still holds. So okay, it's really adorable. Okay, so now we'll remove the cap. We will check what's inside here. Okay, so the cap, the cover. So okay, I will clean it a little bit. You can see the pin here, so just removing it. The pin goes somewhere here, I think. Okay, it will be a problem to disassemble it, I think. Okay, so how you hold here. Okay, and it's a ring here. We have the ring here. Okay, ball inside. Okay, oh, flat washer inside. Nice one. Okay, we'll try to remove this strange ring. Cannot get the ball out. Okay, just to use a more force here. Okay, bigger screwdriver. So okay, one ball is out. So okay, I need to lift it somehow. Okay, now it's just got out. Okay, that's nice. So we can see the tool holder here. second tool holder, of course, checking if they are round or not. Okay, now you can see some sign here. Okay, fuck, how to zoom it normally. Okay, you can see the bump out there, so we have some wear signs, but of course it's almost 10 years old, 9 years old tool, so it's really normal. Okay, now I think that okay, it's almost ready to go out. I will clean the grease here to see if it's no rings or something. Okay, I think it's no rings, so now I will unscrew the screw here. Okay, it must be the position where it's go out. Okay, got it out. So just checking the pin here, it's still round, so okay, pushing out. Okay, what a nice tool. Okay, we'll put some parts inside the box because soon it will be a big mess on the table. Okay, so this one goes here, and here. Okay. So what can we see here? We can see from the hole how the piston is moving. So yeah, it's really okay. Yeah, it looks great. Okay, the ball bearing. You'll check the ball bearing, of course. Okay, the fashion red ball bearing. Okay, it's a 6904 ball bearing, and it's like new. It's even not wobbling. Okay, it's really great. Okay, you can see the balls here. Okay, so just taking this one out. Okay, for the connection rod is made from aluminum or some kind of metal, so it's really made to last for years, like it did now. Okay, so I can see there's a free screws here to go here, so I think I will remove them. Okay, the clutch, we have the clutch here, and of course we have the old-fashioned clutch here. I will try to take the bolts out of here to not lose them. Okay, the bolt is out, and they're going to the box with some other parts. Okay, and what we have the hammer inside, and I think the bolts was holding the hammer. Okay, yep, it seems like that. Okay, I will try to push it. Okay, and where you stop. It looks really strange for me. Okay, I will try to knock it. Yeah, we have some kind of a O-ring here. Okay, and of course the hammer. So the bolt was holding the hammer in a tool holder. Okay, the hammer of course looks like new. We just need a new O-rings. Okay. Okay, so now it's time to check the clutch. Okay, it's springing here, and the clutch is with a spring and a gear here, so it's almost don't have a place for the movement for this one. Okay, I'll try to remove the spring ring. Okay, now it's going easily. Okay, I will take the bigger screwdriver. Okay. Okay. Almost got it out. It's going out really not easily. Okay, I will knock it a little bit. Okay, yeah. It's easier. So it's a flat washer, it's a spring ring, it's a spring itself, and of course the gear. Okay, so really the gear is, I don't know, maybe on a 5 millimeters or bigger than the on a new one, so it's really nice. Okay, what about the clutch? You can see the slight damage on the gear teeth, but of course it's a really slight damage. So okay, you can see how this one looks and how this one, so this one is damaged. Okay, so yeah, of course I believe it's very expensive part. Okay, so definitely some damage on the gear here. Yeah. I will try to clean it a little bit. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not, but it's a damage. So of course it's really small, and I don't think that the user of this tool was getting the problems with that, but maybe. Okay, so these ones are going to the box with other parts. Okay, so now about the other part of the clutch. So I see that I need to unscrew these 2 screws to remove the wash bearing. Okay, so it's not going now. Okay, fuck, it's not a wash bearing, it's a gears here. Okay, so it's really nice. Okay, so now I need to take all this part to take the gear out. Okay, but it's really nice. Okay, I will try to unscrew the 3 screws here. As you can see, the greases are still nice and yellow. So yeah. Okay, fuck. Where's my screwdriver? Okay, it's going. Cannot unscrew it. Okay, I'll try to take it to the paper. Okay, the hammer will fall out. Okay, now I will try to unscrew it with a drill. Okay, so the hammer, of course, we need a new O-ring. Okay, so the screws are going out. The flat washer. Okay, and why I unscrewed you? It must go out somehow. Okay, so okay, I will get you out together. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it's a crankshaft and a gear. Okay, the gears look beautifully. You can see that the aluminum cylinder have some wear mark here. Okay, but it's really not a problem for now. Okay, so what we need to check? We need to check the needle bearing. It looks good. Even the ball bearing here, it's not wobbling. So it's a really nice tool. Okay, a really nice tool. So for now, thank you for watching. Of course, I will be back with assembling this tool, and I hope I will get all the parts. So thank you. Bye.